Mrs. Jones' first goal for this project is that she wants students to be able to. She has low readiness students and high readiness students, and she needs to give the high readiness students a challenge that is appropriate, and the low readiness students an easier time since they don't understand what they're doing. And one way Kinnem can help with that is by you can add emojis so the students know exactly what they need to do and what's important. So if you had a bunch of descriptions, you could just put an emoji or highlight next to what's important. You can insert images for the low readiness students, so instead of the website, so they don't have to get confused by the website and they can just see directly the information they need. And for the low readiness students, you can enter a multiple choice question. Instead of like a written response, which would be harder, or even a fill in the blank, and you can also open-ended, pre-filled answer, video response, written response, stuff like that. For the high readiness students, you could do a written response, so they would have to write out. That makes it easier for the low readiness students because they can see they don't have as many choices, so it makes it easier because they can just look and see this and they don't have to come up with the answer for them, and then this gives the student a challenge because they have to come up with their own answer in written response. And she wants students to be able to work in class, and all she has to do is assign this to her students, and students will be able to access this from their devices at any time, so they can work in class